Looks like a full load of longhorns. Get the ramps ready. Copy that. Opening the bay doors now.
Easy now, easy. Keep them moving straight ahead. Watch the left side there, gently.
Gate closing, watch your spacing. Clear on the left.
All right, team, let's start with pen 3. Technician, have the ultrasound ready.
Yes, doctor. The records are updated for that group?
Condition score looks good, but note the slight asymmetry in the gate.
I see it. Recording now. Overall health appears excellent.
The horn structure appears sound, but let's document the abrasion on the distal medial aspect.
Recording that now. Everything else looks optimal.
All right, inserting the otoscope now. Can you confirm the image stabilization, doctor?
Yes, clear view of the tympanic membrane, all within healthy parameters.
Clear auscultation, no anomalies.
Vitals are strong.
Data synchronization complete.
Keep them steady through the chute.
The rear left mobility is slightly restricted, but within acceptable parameters.
The results for Bull 742 are finalized and clear for the next stage.
Excellent. I'll update the physical records now.
The examination findings are finalized. All signs point to excellent health.
I agree. We are ready to confirm verification.
All right, this group is cleared. Character B, please move them to holding pen 7. Character C, prep the next 3.
Guide them slowly to the troughs. The lead group is starting to drink. Ensure the water is circulating. They are maintaining consistent intake. The automated system is operating efficiently. Yes, all parameters are within the healthy range.
Checking the intake levels on the south trough. They seem calm.
Levels are stable. The new filtration system is working perfectly.
Vamos, amigo, sigue adelante. Todo listo, abriendo el agua.
Careful around the head there. All right, moving to the rear now. Get the shoulders, careful around the head. Okay, moving to the flank now. The coat texture looks excellent here. Yeah.
We use the fine mist setting on the lower legs.
Good, the sheen is perfect.
We need more pressure on the horns there. Got it. Got it. The system is adjusting now.
All right, keep it moving. Posting down the rear. Okay, next station.
The texture here is perfect. Note the subtle variation. Approved. We can proceed with the gray shipment immediately. Surface consistency is perfect on this one. Yeah.
Excellent work. Let's tag it.
Check the nesting optimization here. We need to reduce waste by another 2%.
I've adjusted the margins. The projection looks good. Finalizing the plan now.
Alignment confirmed. We are good to start the cut.
Check the alignment on this edge.
Looks perfect according to the specs.
The quality here is excellent. Keep up the good work. We will, thank you.